How to remove this channel cannot be displayed in Telegram. If you are encountering this channel cannot be displayed error on Telegram is typically due to content restrictions imposed by Telegram based on regional laws, platform policies or user settings. So here is how you can address this issue. Now, first of all, open the Telegram application on your web browser, just like this. Now enable sensitive content viewing. Now tap on the three lines right here, select it. Then here you can find settings, tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find privacy and security, tap on it. Then again scroll down and here you can find the sensitive content right here. Now simply tap on it just like this. Now enable it. Now you can see the sensitive content is now enabled. Next step is simply creating a new account with a different region. If the above method don't work, consider creating a new Telegram account using a phone number from a less restricted region. And that's it. This is how you can remove this channel cannot be displayed in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.